What if your phone made money while you slept? I'm not talking about some crypto scam or a vague promise from a guru in a rented Lamborghini. I mean real money. It sounds like a fantasy, right? Reserved for tech billionaires or Wall Street wizards. But what if this reality is closer than you think, and you don't need a fancy degree or a mountain of cash? For most of my life, it felt out of reach. A nice thought, like a pet dragon or finding a perfect parking spot every time. Reality, the alarm clock, the rush, trading hours for a paycheck that barely covered the bills, and a few moments of weekend freedom. The concept of passive income was something other people did. Then something shifted. The tools changed. I ran an experiment. Could I build an automated income stream in one weekend? The challenge, simple but audacious. I had 48 hours, a laptop, and a Wi-Fi connection. The goal, a system that generates income without constant hands-on work after setup. No more trading time for money. I wanted an asset, a small digital machine that worked tirelessly in the background, serving customers and collecting payments. It wasn't about getting rich overnight. It was proving a concept. Reclaim my time, build something that could grow, and make that late-night fantasy a working reality. And here's the crazy part. It worked. The experiment succeeded and changed how I think about work, value, and freedom. This isn't just my story, it's a blueprint. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exact steps, a simple, repeatable formula. We'll demystify the tech, cut through the hype, and give a practical guide to building your very own AI-powered income engine. Grab a coffee, get comfortable, and see how to start building a life where your income isn't tied to the hours you clock in. And the best part? I'll show you the exact tool at the end of this video. So, how do we escape the grind? How do we build that little money-making machine? It's not about a single magic trick or a secret website. It's about a system, a blueprint. I've boiled down everything I did in that 48-hour experiment into a simple 3-step plan. This is the core of the entire strategy. Forget the confusing jargon and the overwhelming tech talk. If you can understand these 3 fundamental steps, you can build this for yourself. This is the roadmap from trading your time for dollars to building an asset that earns for you. Are you ready? Let's get into the specifics. The first step is what I call the AI product core. This is where you create a small, simple, and incredibly helpful digital product using the power of AI. Don't panic. You don't need to be a coder or a genius designer. We are talking about something you can create in a couple of hours, maybe even less. Think of things like a custom meal plan generator, a personalized workout guide, a set of social media post ideas for a specific niche, or even a travel itinerary planner. Later, I'll show you the exact AI tool I used to create my first product in under 30 minutes. For my 48-hour challenge, I decided to target a group I knew was struggling, small business owners trying to keep up with social media. Their problem? They never know what to post. So I created a simple micro product, 30 days of AI-generated social media hooks for artisan coffee shops. It's incredibly specific. It's not just for businesses, it's for coffee shops. Not just any coffee shops, but artisan ones. The product itself was just a simple PDF document, beautifully formatted, containing 30 unique, ready-to-use post ideas designed to get customers in the door. How did I create this without being a coffee expert or a marketing guru? I used an AI. I went to a specific AI tool, and I promise I'll reveal which one later, and gave it a simple prompt. Act as a social media marketing expert for high-end, artisan coffee shops. Your goal is to increase foot traffic and build a community. Generate 30 unique and engaging social media post hooks, questions, behind-the-scenes ideas, special promotions. Within about 90 seconds, the AI gave me a brilliant list. I just had to edit it, clean it up, and design it into a nice-looking PDF using a free online tool. The core product was created in less than an hour. You can apply this exact logic to any area you have even a little bit of interest in. Fitness? Create a 7-day high-protein meal plan for busy professionals. Love to travel? Create the ultimate weekend getaway itinerary for Paris on a budget. Are you a parent? How about 50 screen-free activities for toddlers? The possibilities are absolutely endless. You've created your awesome micro product. Fantastic. Now, how do you sell it without manually sending emails and chasing payments all day? This is where we build the automation stack, the heart of the hands-free system. This is what separates a side hustle that drains your time from a true passive income engine. The stack is essentially a chain of 4 digital tools that work together in perfect harmony: sales page, payment, delivery, traffic. Each tool has one job, and it does it perfectly, automatically. Setting this up is the most technical part, but it's like assembling Legos. You just click a few things together, and it's done. First, you need a place to sell your product. This is your digital storefront. You don't need a complex website that costs thousands of dollars. Use a simple one-page landing site builder. Templates appear in minutes with drag and drop. This page will do all the selling for you. Catchy headline, explain benefits, buy now button. I used a specific platform that made this incredibly easy. Keep it simple. One page, one product, one button. Second, you need a way to take money. This is your payment processor. Customer clicks buy. Now then pays with a credit card, PayPal. Integrate Stripe or PayPal directly into your sales page. Create an account and copy-paste the key into your builder. It's literally a 5-minute job. Once set up, it's completely automated. It handles the transaction, verifies the payment, keeps the money safe. No more sending invoices or going to the bank. Third, you need to deliver the product. This is your automated delivery service. Immediately after payment, the system sends the product, PDF, guide, template, to the customer's email inbox. This is crucial for customer satisfaction and for keeping the system hands-free. Many platforms have this built in, or use an email marketing service to send an automated welcome email with the download link. The customer gets what they paid for in seconds, and you didn't have to do a thing. And another will help drive traffic to your product page while you're out living your life. Think of it as hiring a team of perfectly efficient digital employees. It's a beautiful thing to witness. And the best part? I'll show you the exact tool at the end of this video. Sales page, payment, delivery, traffic. Click them together like Legos, and your digital employee clocks in 24/7. All right, your first AI income engine is live. The product is created. The automation stack is connected. Maybe you've even made your first few sales. You're officially earning money while you do other things. High five. Do you just sit back and let that one little engine run forever? You could, but the real power comes in step 3. Scaling. This turns a small trickle of income into a significant stream. And you do it without adding a proportional amount of work. Scale income, not hours. The system shows its brilliance here. Fundamental principle. Add more products. You've built the factory, your automation stack. It's ready and waiting. Give it more things to produce and sell. Go back to step 1. Find another small problem for a specific audience. Use AI to create another micro product in an hour or 2. Example: 10-step guide to launching a podcast for under $100. Create the product. Build a new simple sales page. Plug it into the same payment and delivery system. You've doubled your potential income streams with minimal extra effort. Test ideas rapidly. Each product takes a short time to create. Low risk. Throw 10 ideas out and see what sticks. Simple tracking becomes your best friend. How many people visited the page? How many people bought the product? No complex spreadsheets, just the numbers. Podcast guide selling 10x more than coffee shop hooks? That's a market signal. Identify a winner, then double down. Run simple ads to that product's sales page. Or create part 2, or a more advanced version for existing customers. Focus on what's working. Let weaker products fade. Build a robust portfolio of small, automated income engines. Create with AI. Plug into the stack. Track the results. Scale the winners. It's a simple, elegant loop that allows you to grow your income exponentially, not linearly. And the best part? I'll show you the exact tool at the end that kickstarted my first product in minutes. Stay with me. So this all sounds great in theory, right? A nice 3-step plan, automation stack. But does it actually work in the real world? Is it really possible to make money with this? Especially if you're just a regular person without a huge online following, without a marketing degree? The answer is an emphatic yes, but it comes with a dose of reality. The first sale feels like magic. I remember setting up my coffee shop hooks product, connecting all the tools, and then going to make dinner. Halfway through chopping an onion, my phone buzzed. You've made a sale! $17. I literally stopped what I was doing and just stared at the phone. It was only $17, but it might as well have been $1 million. It was proof. Over the next day, a few more sales trickled in. By the end of the 48-hour weekend, I had made just over $100. It wasn't life-changing money, but it wasn't about the amount. It was about the way it was earned, automatically, while I was living my life. Now, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You have to do the work up front. You have to find a real problem to solve. You have to create a product that is genuinely helpful, even if it's small. You have to take the time to connect the tools in your automation stack correctly. Some of your product ideas will fail. No one will buy them. That's okay. Because each product is a low-risk experiment, you can afford to have failures. The key is to learn from them, launch another one, and keep testing until you find what resonates with people. It's a numbers game. And with AI, you can play that game faster than ever before. 10 years ago, this would have been impossible without a team of developers and a huge budget. Today it's cheap or free to start, user-friendly, powered by artificial intelligence that does the heavy lifting for you. You are no longer just a consumer of technology, you can be a creator who leverages it. The barrier to entry has been obliterated. We've covered a lot of ground. We've talked about the trap of the 9-to-5 grind, and we've laid out a clear 3-step blueprint to build your escape route. Create a micro product with AI, connect it to an automation stack, scale what works. You've seen how this isn't some far-off fantasy, but a practical, achievable system you can start building today. The question is no longer, is it possible? The question is, what will you build? What small problem can you solve for someone? If you want the full toolkit I use every week, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I drop new blueprints every week, zero fluff. I'm committed to sharing everything I learn on this journey. No gatekeeping, no fluff. We're in this together, and I want to see you win. Next week, I'm showing the exact AI tool that replaced my 9-to-5. You don't want to miss it. Coming next, the #1 AI tool I used to build my first product.